Un sueño que te perdí, que en verdad ya no te tengo. Cuánto quisiera.
Hey everyone! Tonight we are doing our bachata basic side to side. So if you are ready, here we go. Bachata is mostly done side to side versus salsa forward and back. And we're going to start with the basic count on the leaders count. So that means we're going to start going to our left. So I'm going to show you how it looks first, and then we're going to go through the fundamentals. All right, so here we go. We're going to go side to side. So all you do is step with your left, feet together, step with your left, feet together, stop, step to your right, feet together, step to your right, feet together. And when you're doing this, you want equal weight on both feet when you're moving, so it doesn't look like your legs are going like unattached with your body and then your body follows, okay? So again, your shoulders and your hips should be over your ankles when you're moving, nose over your toes, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and show you the footwork. The count is 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And all this really is change your weight, change your weight. Now we're going to switch directions. Change your weight, change your weight. All right, so again, we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, before we go to music, I want to show you one thing with the body that I forgot earlier. Okay, a lot of people think salsa and bachata comes from moving your hips like all crazy, but it actually has to do with moving your torso. So if you thought of isolating your torso, which is from your rib cage to your hips, okay? You're going to try to create a crease in your shirt just from moving your shoulders and your hips on the same plane. All right, so we're not doing I'm a little teapot, okay? We are just moving our shoulders side to side. And you can practice this if you're driving. Have your hands on your steering wheel and force your body to move while you're sitting, because a lot of times our body has been so glued together all day that, and our body wants to help the other parts. So you're going to say, okay, I'm moving my torso, Maestra, and really your hips are going to be moving, right? Or you're going to be like, I'm moving my torso, Maestra, and really your shoulders are moving. So you really need to focus on you. Maybe go to your bathroom mirror. Maybe if you're like me, you have mirrors for dancing somewhere in your house. That's great. But you just want to get used to this lateral movement of your torso, okay? So your body should move independently in parts, right? So when I'm moving my body, my hands are naturally going to rock down like I'm hammering, boo, boo, right? So this is the warm-up to start your body. So like most songs take forever to start. They have a long intro. Use that time to kind of stand in place and get your body moving, and using this. This is actually the Cuban motion right here, not this, and definitely not this. All right? So let's go ahead and try it to counting bachata music.
8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Once
8,
this becomes
1,
easy for
2,
you, going
3,
side to
4,
side,
5, 6,
I want you to
7,
challenge
8,
yourself
1,
to do the
2,
four
3,
corners with
4,
me.
5, 6, 7,
We're
8,
going to
1, 2,
transition
3,
on
4,
the
5,
one, which
6,
means my
7,
left
8,
foot is
1,
ready to
2,
go.
3, four,
So we're gonna
five,
do this one more
six,
time.
7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4,
And get ready
5,
for
6,
transition.
7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Ready?
5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3,
Ready?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2,
I've
3,
learned
4,
simple is
5,
key.
6, 7,
You're gonna see
8,
a lot of
1,
people do
2,
this,
3,
like,
4, 5,
gesture
6,
with
7,
their,
8, 1,
really
2,
accent
3,
the
4,
four and the
5, 6,
When
7,
you're learning
8,
to
1,
just move
2,
your body
3,
naturally,
4,
no
5,
sudden
6,
movement.
7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
A lot
1,
is shown
2,
through your
3,
facial
4,
expression.
5, 6,
So when you're
7,
watching
8,
yourself
1,
dance
2,
and you
3,
look at
4,
this,
5, 6, 7,
probably
8,
keep with
1,
this
2,
counting step
3,
and
4,
doing the
5,
basics
6,
only.
7,
When
8,
you feel
1,
like you
2,
can
3,
smile
4,
through it
5,
and
6,
carry a
7, 8,
conversation,
1, 2,
alright,
3,
then we're
4,
ready for
5,
video
6,
number
7,
2.
8, 1.
Thank you so much for joining me on this video, and there'll be more to come.